morning student, welcome in KTHM College, Nasik. Myself V.S. Shinde, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. Student, in previous lecture we have seen trans effects, theories of trans effect and different examples of trans effect. Now in today's lecture we discuss about applications of trans effect. This topic is very important for your examination. So let's see application of trans effect. See student, there are two major applications of trans effect. First is synthesis of isomeric complexes, means we can synthesize different types of isomeric complexes by using trans effect. And second application is distinguish between cis and trans isomer of PT-NH3 twice Cl2. These are the major two applications. In case of first, that is synthesis of isomeric complexes, here we can synthesize different types of isomer. For example, first synthesis of cis and trans PtCl2 NO2 NH3 minus. Also, we can synthesize cis and trans PtCl2 PR3 twice. Third is synthesis of cis PT NH3 twice Br2. Also, we can synthesize trans isomer of PtCO PyCl2. Next is synthesis of cis and trans PT NH3 twice Cl2. Okay, these are the major applications of trans effects. So let's see one by one. So take first synthesis of isomeric complexes. In that, first is synthesis of cis and trans. Synthesis of cis and trans PT Cl2 NO2 NH3 minus. Okay, we have to synthesize cis and trans PT Cl2 NO2 NH3 minus. So let's start. So our starting complex is PT Cl 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 Cl2 minus. Okay, when we treat NO2 with this complex, that is PT Cl4 2 minus, we get here PT NO2 Cl Cl2 minus. Means these all chlorines are same, so any one chlorine gets replaced by this NO2. So we get here such type of isomer, that is PT NO2 Cl and Cl. When again we treat NH3 with this isomer, that is PT NO2 Cl. Now see, here NO2 has more trans-directing effect than this chlorine. We know the trans-directing series and we have seen that series in previous lecture. So NO2 has more trans-directing effect as compared to this chlorine. So this chlorine easily replaced by this NH3 and we get trans product or trans isomer NO2 NH3 Cl minus. So we get here trans isomer. This is the trans isomer of PtCl2 NO2 NH3 minus. Okay. Sorry, this is the trans isomer. This is the trans isomer of PtCl4 2 minus. See, here is starting substrate or starting material PtCl4 2 minus. When we treat NO2 with this complex, we get here NO2 Cl 2 minus. Means all chlorine are same, so any Cl get replaced by this NO2, and we know that NO2 has more trans-directing effect as compared to Cl. So here NO2 is able to replace its trans ligand, means its opposite ligand. So this Cl get easily replaced by NH3 and we get here trans isomer. Here this is the trans isomer of PtCl4 2 minus. Okay, let's see cis isomer. When we treat NH3 with this same complex, we get here means any chlorine get replaced by NH3 because all 4 Cl are same. So we get such type of isomer, that is PT NH3 Cl Cl Cl. Okay. Again, when we treat NO2 with this complex. Now see, first we treat NH3 with this complex, we get NH3Cl, means any one chlorine get replaced by this NH3, and again when we treat NO2 with this complex, now see, here is your NH3, but NH3 has less trans-directing effect as compared to Cl, means here NH3 is unable to replace this Cl, so we get cis isomer NH3 NO2 Cl C, means we get cis isomer. This is the cis isomer of PtCl or PtCl4 2 minus. Okay student, so here we have synthesized cis and trans isomer like PtCl2 NO2 NH3 minus by using PtCl4 2 minus as a starting complex. Okay, these are the cis isomer. Only remember that means the final conclusion from this both example, NO2 has more trans-directing effect as compared to chlorine and as compared to NH3. Okay. This is the final conclusion. So we have here synthesized cis and trans isomer of cis and trans isomer PtCl2 NO2 NH3 by using PtCl4 2 minus as a starting substrate or as a starting complex. Let's see next one. Let's see synthesis of cis and trans isomer of PtCl2 PR3 2. Okay, now see, we have to synthesize cis and trans isomer PtCl2 PR3 twice. So let's see. If the starting complex is PtCl4 2 minus, when we treat 1 mole of PR3 with this complex, any one chlorine get replaced by this PR3. So Cl is replaced by PR3, so we get such type of isomer. Again, when we treat another mole of PR3 with this complex, now see here, this is PR3 which has more trans-directing effect as compared to this Cl, means obviously this PR3 is able to replace its opposite ligand, that is opposite Cl. So we get here trans isomer PR3 Cl PR3 and Cl. This is the trans isomer. Okay, so see, this is trans isomer, that is PT, PR3, Cl, Cl by using PtCl4 2 minus. When we treat 1 mole of PR3 with this complex, any one chlorine get replaced. So chlorine get replaced by PR3, we get such type of isomer. Again when we treat another mole of PR3. As PR3 has more trans-directing effect, PR3 has more trans-directing effect as compared to Cl, it is able to replace its opposite ligand of chlorine. So we get trans isomer. Let's see synthesis of cis isomer. So PT, PR3, 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 PR3. Okay. When we treat one chlorine with this substrate or with this complex, any one PR3 get replaced by this chlorine. So we get here PTCl, PR3, PR3 and PR3. Okay, means any one PR3 get replaced by this chlorine. So we get such type of isomer. Again, when we treat another mole of Cl with this complex, now see here is chlorine. See its exact transposition where is PR3. But chlorine has less trans-directing effect as compared to this PR3. So obviously it is unable to replace its opposite ligand. So one of PR3 get replaced by this incoming Cl. So we get here cis isomer. So cis isomer is synthesized by using PT PR3 4 2+. Okay, this is the cis isomer. Means we can conclude that PR3 is having more trans-directing effect as compared to chlorine. Okay, this is the final conclusion, and this is the synthesis of cis and trans isomer of PTCl2 PR3 twice by using PTCl4 2- and by using PT PR3 4 2+. Okay student, so let's see next application, that is synthesis of cis PT NH3 twice Br. These applications are very easy. Synthesis of cis PT NH3 twice Br2. Okay. So if the starting complex is PT, Br, 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 C minus 2, and when we treat one mole of NH3 with this complex, any one bromine get replaced by this NH3, so we get such type of isomer Br, Br. Okay, so we get such type of isomer, that is PT NH3 Br, Br, Br. Means any one Br get replaced by this NH3. Again, when we treat another mole of NH3 with this complex, now see here is NH3 which has less trans-directing effect as compared to Br. So this NH3 is unable to replace this Br. So obviously one of Br get replaced from this position and NH3 is get placed at that position. Okay. So PT NH3 NH3 Br Br. Okay. So this is the cis isomer, or this is the synthesis of cis isomer of PT NH3 twice Br2 by using PT Br4 2-. Okay. This application is very easiest one. Okay, so let's see next one. So sorry, and the final conclusion, what we can conclude from this last example, Br has more trans-directing effect than NH3. Okay, so let's see next one, that is synthesis of trans CO means carbonyl. When we treat 1 mole of CO with this complex, any one chlorine get replaced by this CO. So we get here such type of isomer, that is one chlorine get replaced by this carbonyl, and we know that carbonyl has highest trans-directing power, or it is a stronger trans-directing power in your trans series because of pi bonding theory. Okay, carbonyl shows pi bonding theory, so obviously it has more trans-directing or strongest trans-directing effect. When again we treat 1 mole of pyridine with this complex, we get PtCO. Now see, here is carbonyl which has highest trans-directing effect. So obviously it is able to replace its opposite ligand, that is chlorine. So pyridine get replaced by this chlorine. Chlorine get replaced by this pyridine, and we get trans isomer. So we get here trans isomer of PtCO(Cl2) by using PtCl4 2- as a starting complex. Okay, so the final conclusion is CO has more trans-directing effect. CO has more trans-directing effect than pyridine. Okay, and then chlorine. So, see student, this is the synthesis of trans PtCO(Cl2). As we know that CO has more trans-directing effect in your series. So, any one chlorine gets replaced by this CO. So, we get such type of isomer. After this, when we treat pyridine with this complex, we get final trans product. Why this is so? Because CO is able to replace its opposite ligand. So pyridine get replaced chlorine get replaced by this pyridine, and we get trans isomer. Okay, so let's see the synthesis of cis and trans isomer of cis and trans isomer of PT NH3 twice, Cl twice. Okay, now see, this is the synthesis of cis and trans isomer of PT NH3 twice, Cl2. So let's start. If the starting complex is PtCl4 2-, and when we treat 1 mole of NH3 with this complex, we get PT NH3 Cl, and simply any one chlorine gets replaced by this NH3, so we get such type of isomer. Again, when we treat NH3 with this complex, now see, here is NH3 which has less trans-directing effect as compared to chlorine. So this NH3 is unable to replace its opposite ligand, that is chlorine. So any one chlorine gets replaced by this NH3, and we get cis isomer of PT NH3 twice, Cl twice. Okay, so this is the cis isomer. This is synthesis of cis isomer by using PtCl4 2-. Now let's see synthesis of trans isomer by using PtNH3 4 2+. When we treat 1 mole of Cl with this complex, any one NH3 get replaced by this Cl. So we get PtCl NH3 NH3. Now, when again we treat another mole of Cl with this complex, let's see, here Cl is there and Cl has more transdirecting effect as compared to this NH3. So obviously this Cl is able to replace this NH3 or its opposite ligand. So we get trans isomer. So we get here trans isomer. So the final conclusion is Cl has more transdirecting effect as compared to NH3. See, let's see the next application, that is distinguish between cis and trans isomer of PT NH3 twice Cl2 by using both this complex. That this complex is a cis isomer while this complex is trans isomer. So let's see, if we get 2 moles of thiourea, when we treat 2 moles of thiourea with this complex, with this cis complex, both this NH3 get replaced by this thiourea. So we get PTCl, Cl, thiourea. Okay. See, when we treat this thiourea, 2 moles of thiourea with this cis complex, both NH3 get replaced by this thiourea. So we get thiourea, PTCl, Cl. But see, now again when we treat 2 moles of thiourea with this complex, now see, thiourea has more transdirecting effect as compared to this chlorine. Thiourea has more transdirecting effect as compared to this chlorine. So this thiourea replaced to this chlorine by another thiourea. So we get such type of isomer. In case of cis isomer, what happened? I again repeat. When we treat 2 moles of thiourea with this cis complex, as we know that NH3 has less transdirecting effect as compared to Cl. So in first step, both NH3 get replaced by thiourea. So we get such type of isomer. But here thiourea has more transdirecting effect as compared to Cl. So this thiourea is able to replace both this Cl. So when we treat another 2 moles of thiourea with this complex, we get such type of isomer. Okay. So let's see what happened in case of trans isomer. This is your trans isomer. When we treat 1 mole of thiourea with this complex, we get PT, Cl, NH3, thiourea and NH3. Okay. Now see, when we treat another moles of thiourea, see, this is the trans isomer. When we treat 1 mole of thiourea with this complex, see here Cl has more transdirecting effect. So any one chlorine gets replaced by this thiourea. So we get such type of isomer. But now see, here thiourea has more transdirecting effect as compared to Cl. So next thiourea get replaced to this Cl and we get such type of isomer. This is the distinguish between cis and trans isomer of PT NH3 twice Cl2. Okay student, this was the application of trans effect. So here we have finished our trans effect topic or substitution in square planar complexes. In next lecture we will start HSAB principle, that is hard soft acid base principle, which was introduced by Pearson, that is Aral Pearson. Okay student, so thank you.